In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert picture grid layout in Excel. A picture grid layout is a simple but very useful way to organize multiple images neatly into rows and columns inside a worksheet. This can be especially helpful if you're creating a catalog, building a report, designing a dashboard, or preparing something more visual for a presentation. The goal is to make your images look clean, aligned, and easy to scan. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and start with a blank worksheet or the sheet where you want your image grid to appear. The first method is a manual grid using cells, and this is usually the best option for beginners because it gives you a lot of control while still being easy to set up. Start by preparing your grid. In Excel, you'll want to adjust the row height and column width so the cells look more like squares, or at least close to the shape you want for your pictures. To do that, select all the cells you want to use for the grid. Then, right-click and choose Row Height. After that, right-click a column and choose Column Width. Adjust both settings until the cells create a balanced layout for your images. This step matters because it gives your pictures a consistent structure to fit into. Next, insert your pictures. Go to the Insert tab, then select Pictures. From there, choose whether you want to add images from your device or use online pictures. Select the images you want and insert them into the sheet. They may appear in different sizes at first, and that's completely normal. Now, fit the pictures into the cells. Drag each image into its intended cell, then resize it using the corner handles. Using the corner handles helps keep the image proportions more natural. If you want better alignment, hold the Alt key while resizing. This helps the image snap more closely to the cell borders, which makes the grid look much cleaner and more professional. The second method is using a table-style layout for a cleaner grid appearance. Instead of relying only on cell spacing, you can create a visible structure with borders. Select the range where you want your picture grid, go to the Home tab, choose Borders, and then select All Borders. This instantly creates a table-like framework that makes the layout easier to follow and gives your worksheet a more polished look. Once the bordered grid is ready, insert your images into each cell area and resize them so they fit neatly inside the boundaries. Take your time with this part, because even small adjustments can make the whole layout look much more organized. And that's how to insert a picture grid layout in Excel, using either a manual cell grid or a bordered table-style layout.